My paper focuses on player-avatar relationships, identification and embodiment, and which factors most heavily impact these things. I first looked at anthropomorphism. There's a study that immerses participants in an environment from a first-person perspective using 3 different avatars: a robot, a blockman, and a human-like avatar. It found that participants experienced a feeling of having 2 bodies when using a more human-like avatar, which contradicts the assumption that an anthropomorphic avatar would breed a sense of embodiment for a user. The researchers hypothesized that this could be an uncanny valley-like effect. The human avatar was close to resembling the user, but not quite close enough, thus inciting the feeling of having 2 bodies, which leads into the next factor that I looked at, which is avatar fidelity, or how closely an avatar's appearance replicates that of the player. Another study I found calls this concept truthfulness. If the avatar's appearance closely resembles the player, that's a truthful appearance. Participants in this study were also asked to control 3 separate avatars: a robot, a suit, and a virtual representation of themselves. The results showed that avatar truthfulness positively impacts the sense of embodiment. What was interesting about this study, though, was the choice to use the third-person perspective, which is believed to incite a sense of ownership less than first person. This got me thinking that perhaps the most prominent element when it comes to identification is control. A third experiment wrapped avatar appearance, point of view, and control into one and studied how these factors interact with each other and influence embodiment. The results support that point of view and control are the favored elements for building an avatar players can feel embodied in. From a design aspect, I first look at Ready Player Me, which has interchangeable perspectives and a high degree of avatar customization capabilities. Then Me Studio, which has the opposite of those things. And alternatively, Second Life offers a middle ground between the two. And a perfect platform for avatar creation and use would have customization and prioritizes a sense of control.